it's time for some cooking. Well, not really cooking. Let's make some treats together that you don't have to bake. So we are going to start with a graham cracker goodie. A graham cracker goodie is made of Cool Whip, graham crackers, sprinkles, and a vanilla jello pudding mix. So you don't have to make the pudding, you just need the box with the powder in it. It's instant pudding. It's the 3.4 ounce brand. So I have the Jello brand. All right, so this one is super easy. You guys are gonna be able to do this so fast. So I have a bowl here. I have my Cool Whip. I'm just going to scoop my Cool Whip into my bowl. All right, there we go. Then we are going to open our Jello packet. Here it is. Take off the top and pour it. Whoa, I dropped it. Pour it into your Cool Whip. Right. Wow, it smells really good. It smells like vanilla pudding in here. Let's mix them up. You want it mixed all together so that all the powder is mixed in with the Cool Whip. So it might take a moment or two to gently fold it in. So gently stir without throwing all of your powder out of the bowl. Because if you guys bake, you know that things that are light like flour or powder or sugar will just go flying. All right, make sure all of it gets well incorporated. It's going to start to change color a little bit once the pudding mixture is included. It's going to start turning to like a yellowy color. All right, just keep folding it in, stirring it gently so that it's all mixed together and that powder is not like grainy inside your Cool Whip mixture. Okay. So I will just tilt the bowl up for you guys so you can see. Okay, so there is my Cool Whip and pudding mixture. The next thing I'm gonna do is open up my graham crackers. And if you've already got them open, excellent. So I'm gonna take one graham cracker, going to break it in half so I have the two pieces, and think of it kind of like a s'more, except without the chocolate. So I'm just going to put some of my mixture in between, sandwich them together. Okay, so you've got yourself a little Cool Whip sandwich, Cool Whip graham cracker goodie. I have my sprinkles here. I have the little ball type nonpareil sprinkles, but you can use whatever sprinkles you choose. Put them in the bowl. And I am going to coat the edges of my graham cracker goodie. And it's going to look a little bit more festive. Okay. So there's your graham cracker goodie. Once you have put all of your graham cracker sandwiches together with your sprinkles, if you choose, you're going to line a baking tray with them and put them in the freezer and leave them there until they're frozen solid. And then you can take them out and have yourself a graham cracker goodie. Let's give it a try. Wow. I like that a lot. All right, so that is our first project already done. So, graham cracker goodie, check. We are gonna move on to a second delicious no-bake treat. This one is a little bit healthier than the last one. Okay, we are gonna make kid energy bites. Excuse me one moment. I forgot a very special ingredient for our kid energy bites, M&Ms. So you need M&Ms, vanilla, honey, peanut butter, and old-fashioned oats or rolled oats. All right, so we are going to use our measuring cups for this. So I will give you the measurements as we go. All right, so for our oats, we need 1 cup of oats. So I have a 1/4 cup here. So if you have a 1/4 cup, that's 1/4. You need 4 quarters to make a whole. So we're gonna do 4 1/4 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. All right, so that is 1 part done. The next ingredient we need for our energy bites is our peanut butter. So you need 1/2 cup of peanut butter. It's hard to get a measuring cup to just dump right in there. So you're gonna have to use a spoon to help get that out. So I'm gonna use my 1/4 cup again. So 1/4 cup, 1/4 cup, you need 2 quarters to make half. So we're gonna use 2 1/4 cups. So I'm gonna just fill my 1/4 cup up with the peanut butter. Make sure I've got enough. Okay, so 1/4 cup goes right on into the bowl. Peanut butter is sticky, and so will our next ingredient be, so keep that in mind. All right, so let's do our second 1/4 cup. Okay, perfect. Putting that right on in there. Couldn't help it, had the peanut butter that was on my finger. All right, so I'm gonna close up my peanut butter. I am gonna get out my honey. For the honey, you need 1/3 cup. So I have my 1/3 cup measuring cup there. We got our little bear here. Let's measure out our 1/3 cup. All right, and it goes nice and sticky. Thank you to all those honeybees that made this beautiful honey. Just let it drip a little bit more. All right, I think we're good. All right, then we need a teaspoon of vanilla, which is just a little bit of a splash here. I don't have my measuring cup, but you can measure out 1 teaspoon, or you can just eyeball it. And last, but certainly not least, we need our M&Ms. Now I only have a little pack here. You're welcome to have more M&Ms. The recipe calls for about 1/2 cup. So I have a little bit less. You could also use the miniature M&Ms, or if you like the peanut kind, to get a little extra protein in there. And I am just mixing this all together. You want everything well incorporated, all of your oats to be coated. Okay, so I'm just going to tip my bowl here, give you a look at what I've made. There is the mixture. Looks very peanut buttery and delicious. And this is where it gets messy. So we are going to get our hands in there. Got a bowl here to put my little energy bites in. So I'm gonna pick up a little bit, roll it into a little bit of a ball, put it in my bowl, and then move on to the next one. Once you've gone through all of your mixture, you can put these in the refrigerator so that they'll stiffen up. You could also put them in the freezer if you wanted to store them longer and have them later. It's a nice, easy treat to give you a little bit of energy if you need that afternoon pick-me-up, because I know we're gonna have school starting. So this is a great afternoon school snack. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me for No Bake Treats. I hope you enjoy the delicious no bake treats that you make, and we will see you soon. Bye, friends.